The upcoming Motorola Razr Plus 2024 is causing quite a stir, with recent leaks giving us a sneak peek into what promises to be an exciting upgrade. Early last week, the complete technical specifications for the Moto Razr Plus 2024 surfaced on X, highlighting a significantly improved device over the 2023 model. Initially, the leak only provided a single image of the phone next to some rulers, resembling last year's model closely. Thanks to fresh leaks from sources like 91 Mobiles and prominent tipster Evan Blass, we're now getting a clearer glimpse of both the Motorola Razr Plus 2024 and its more affordable counterpart, the Razr 2024. These leaks confirm earlier speculations about the Razr Plus S color options, including midnight blue, spring green, and hot pink, along with support for 45W charging. Meanwhile, the entry-level Razr 2024 is expected to debut in striking shades of orange, gold, and black, injecting a burst of freshness into the Razr lineup to cater to diverse consumer preferences. One interesting revelation from the leaked images is the labeling of the device displays as Razr 50 and Razr 50 Ultra. This naming convention aligns with Motorola's marketing strategy outside the United States, where the Razr series is known as the Razr and Razr Ultra. Last year's models, dubbed the Razr 40 and Razr 40 Ultra, logically paved the way for the Razr 50 moniker for this year's models. In the US, however, Motorola markets these devices as the Razr and Razr Plus. Until recently, details regarding the specifications of the new Razr were scarce. However, recent leaks indicate significant improvements for the 2024 model. While the main display maintains its impressive 6.9-inch POLED screen, the exterior screen is set to undergo a substantial transformation. Doubling in size from the 1.5-inch screen seen in the 2023 model, the new exterior display will measure a much larger 3.6 inches. This notable expansion is expected to not only enhance usability but also provide users with a more immersive experience for quick interactions and notifications. In terms of performance, the new Razr Plus will reportedly move away from Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, which was used in last year's model, to a MediaTek Dimensity 7300X processor. This switch might be a strategic decision to keep costs down, especially since the Razr Plus is expected to feature the high-end Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. However, it's worth noting that MediaTek currently offers the 7200 processor, comparable to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 2. There have been no news or leaks of a 7300 chip yet, so take this specific detail with a grain of salt. Interestingly, it appears that the camera setup has undergone a downgrade. Last year's model featured a robust 64 megapixels main camera along with a 32 megapixels ultra-wide lens. However, according to recent leaks, the 2024 version is expected to sport a 50MP main camera. While this may initially seem like a reduction in megapixels, the true impact on image quality will depend on various factors such as sensor size and image processing capabilities. Meanwhile, other specifications seem to remain unchanged, including the 4200 mAh battery, which is expected to offer sufficient power for a full day of use. Details regarding RAM and storage capacity are yet to be revealed, but these are likely to surface as we approach the official release date. Motorola is rumored to be planning a July release for the new Razr phones. However, the company has maintained secrecy regarding the next generation, leaving us to speculate on whether this timeline will indeed materialize. If the leaks prove accurate, the Razr Plus 2024 holds the promise of significant upgrades over its predecessor, with improved performance, larger displays, and a fresh array of color options. In conclusion, the Moto Razr Plus 2024 looks set to be an impressive addition to Motorola's lineup. With its stylish new colors, larger exterior display, and potential for a powerful new processor, it has the makings of a standout device in the competitive smartphone market. Whether these upgrades are enough to sway consumers away from other flagship models remains to be seen, but the Razr Plus 2024 certainly has the potential to make a strong case for itself. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release, and thanks for watching.